Your outline, okay, so your outline was due today. Today, what we're going to be working on is the next paragraph. So I'm going to go over that quick. When we head into the CAD lab, open up either the Word document or the Google Docs, whatever you're working on, and we'll go through the header information. Okay. So basically what I'll be looking for, things like that, once ever highlighted right up here. The thing that I want to point out is, if you guys have just been doing this type of format where this was your article, this was your points highlighted, this is your outline, that's fine. Just start on a new page and go from there. So you don't have to create a whole new document. If you want to, you certainly can. Another thing that I want to talk about is that when I say it should be 2 pages long, okay, so like here's page 1, okay, so it should go a full 2 pages, not just part of page 2. Like I have 1 full page and then it spills onto page 2, okay. So full 2 pages. What I'll be looking for from here on out, once a week, you have to have 1 article due, or 1 paragraph due. So on the outline it says body paragraph 1 is due. I'm not saying you have to start with the body paragraph. If it's easier for you to start with your intro, that's fine, or your conclusion, that's fine. Basically, it's 1 paragraph a week. Okay? If you end up typing, several paragraphs today, that's fine. Turn it in, and you'll be a week ahead, or 2 weeks, or however many weeks you go through. What I'm looking for is, say this is my paragraph. I went through and I typed all this information today. Let's say I actually only typed this much, okay? Say this was my paragraph, I turned it in. What I'd go through is I would go through, look at it, you're using proper English. Does it actually have some of the main points that you said you're going to research? Does it actually have something, is it your own words, not just copy and paste it, okay? So, say this is your paragraph, you end up sending it in, I grade it, that's fine. When it comes time to the actual final paper, you compile it all. Say you compile all your paragraphs and you find out that it's only, a page and a half, it's not the full 2 pages. You go back and you edit it and add all that other information, okay? I'm not going to go back and be like, well, that paragraph originally was only 4 sentences long, and now it's 6. No, I don't particularly care. Obviously, I'm assuming you're going to have to add some stuff. I'm not looking for a specific length for a paragraph. Like if your intro paragraph ends up only being 4 sentences, okay, well that's still a paragraph. That still counts. Okay, so I'm not saying like I'm looking for a half-page paragraph or 3/4 of a page paragraph, whatever. Basically, it's all the information for that topic 1 or that subtopic 1, subtopic 2, things like that. If your paper ends up having more than 5 paragraphs, which it can, that's not a problem. Okay. Again, make use of your English knowledge. So, any questions on that? Okay, what we'll do, like I said, is go through, open up either a Word document or a Google Docs, yep, and then we'll go through, I'll kind of set you up for the overall outline. So, you guys can